Hey everyone, my name is Coach Njai, and I'm the head girls soccer coach at Hail Mary. I've been running this program for the past 7 years, and I love coaching at Hail Mary because of the hard work and dedication of the players and coaching staff. Our core values are based on respect for humanity, teamwork, leadership, responsibility, sportsmanship, positivity, especially with COVID 19, and self discipline. Uh, my philosophy is to develop young leaders for tomorrow's world, and that is through the game of soccer. Our program teaches the players to be honest, to think critically, and to also be very creative. The program also teaches the players how to solve problems in difficult situations. So, if you think that those core values are the same as yours, and you feel like you want to come and contribute to our program, please feel free to contact me, and I look forward to hear from you. Thank you.